Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my stir-fried minced beef with chilies and basil. Basically a real economical basil beef. Alright, let's get on with it. First thing I'm going to do is I've got here a little bit of bouillon powder, chicken bouillon powder. That's going to go into a little bowl. A little bit of soy, that can go straight in. Just a teaspoon's worth of that, and about a teaspoon's worth of Jiaoxing wine and or fish sauce. You can mix that up. Alright, here I've got a little bit of corn flour, about a tablespoon's worth. That's going in, and that's going to make our gravy. Right, so we're just going to put a little bit of room temperature water into that, just like that, probably about a cup, maybe a cup and a quarter's worth. Give that a good stir through. Okay, very simple, and we can put that aside. Now I'm just going to use a fry pan for this one. A little bit of peanut oil goes in. We're going to add in one brown onion that has been nicely quarter cut, just in a nice slices like that, and we're going to fry those off for about 3 to 4 minutes until they go a little bit translucent. Really nice and simple, and I love the flavour of an onion being cooked. It always just smells so good. So just fry those off like I'm doing there. Now you can do this in a wok if you want. I just thought I'll use the fry pan tonight. A little bit more simple. Alright, break the onion up as it's going, and here I've got 500 grams worth of ground beef or beef mince. Now just start breaking all of that up and start getting that nicely browned. I'm using a sort of medium-high heat on this one, so just keep stirring that through, keep browning it off, really nice and easy. In the meantime, Mrs. KP is on the other side of the kitchen and she's steaming up some nice white rice. Okay, so just keep going along like that. Just keep stirring that through, keep cooking that beef mince off, and we're going to add in our last seasonings in a little bit. A good dash of fish sauce. I would say around about 3 to 4 tablespoons worth, and I'm also going to add in a tiny bit of agave, probably about 2 teaspoons worth. It's just going to sweeten it up. You could use sugar if you want. I'm going to prefer to use agave, something a little bit more natural. Okay, now just keep stirring that through. Try and get rid of much of that liquid as possible. As you can see, we've got a nice dry fry pan at the moment, and we're still hitting that nice high heat. Now I'm going to add in, look, in all honesty, it was a whole plant's worth of basil. We're going to add in a really good couple of handfuls worth of fresh basil. You could use a Thai basil or even a holly basil if you want to. That can go all straight in just like that. Now I'm going to add in our little gravy. We've increased our heat to high. I'm just going to keep stirring that through, and that gravy is going to thicken up just nicely. Now all we have to do is serve. Mrs. KP has already put down our white rice just like that, and in the meantime I've set off to the side and I've cut up some chilies. I'm going to add in our beef mince over to one side just like that, and now Mrs. KP is frying up a couple of eggs, and that's how we're going to serve this all up. Make sure you get a bit of that gravy onto that rice. Nothing tastes better. So Mrs. KP is going to lay down our eggs just like that, and once you break those eggs open and that yolk comes out, it's going to soak into the rice and into that beef and basil onion mix that we've got going there. I'm going to add in some fried shallot straight over the top. It's going to give us a nice little bit of crunch and a nice bit of flavour. You can get it from your local supermarket now. Quite a easy product to find. And the last thing I have to do is just finish that off with some nicely finely cut spring onion. It's going to make a really nice pretty colour, and a little bit of our fresh chili. You can put the chili in earlier. I prefer the taste of a fresh red chili. It just tastes a little bit nicer, gives you a nice little bit of crunch as well. And you can cut your chili early, put that in the water just like I did, and it will keep that really nice and crunchy if you leave it in the fridge. I'd love to see you try and make this dish at home. It is really quick, really easy, and really affordable. Nice little budget deal. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get to know KP's Kingdom out there and grow our audience and subscribers. Speaking of which, if you want to learn how to make a real nice, quick, easy Thai dish like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my stir-fried minced beef with chilies and basil, and I will catch you next time. Bye.